Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss about how to design a two input NAND gate using DSCS software. Here figure 1.12 shows the two input NAND gate schematic diagram, and figure 1.12b shows the symbol of the two input NAND gate. Here we see that the two input NAND gate circuit consists of two portions. One is pull up network, another is pull down network. In pull up network, two PMOS are connected in parallel, where in pull down network, two NMOS are connected in series. As it is two input NAND gate, so we have to provide two input. Here A and B are two input. For two input, we have four combinations, that is 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, and 1 1. In this truth table, it is seen that for both the input low, that is 0 0, the pull down network is off and the pull up network is on, and the output will be high, that is 1. For 0 1 input, pull down network is again off and pull up network is on, and again the output is high. For 1 0 input, the pull down network is off and pull up network is on, and output is again high. For both the input high, pull down network is on and pull up network is off, and the output is low. So here we can conclude that for any of the input is low, the output is high, and for both the input is high, output is low. We can explain it with the help of our circuit. Here we see that the two PMOS are connected in between the supply VDD and the output Y, and the two NMOS are connected in between the output Y and the ground. If either input A or B is low, at least one of the NMOS will be off, breaking the path from ground to output point Y. That is, Y to ground will be open circuit, but at least one of the PMOS transistor will be on, creating a path from Y to VDD. That is, Y to VDD will be short circuit. Hence the output Y will be 1, because the VDD point and the output point Y will be the same point. If both inputs are 1, both of the NMOS transistor will be on and both of the PMOS transistor will be off. Hence the output will be 0, because so if both inputs are high, that is A and B, both are high, both of the NMOS transistors will be on and both of the PMOS transistors will be off. Hence the output will be low, because this Y point and this ground point will be the same point, and these PMOSs are open circuited. As a result, the VDD supply will be segregated from the output Y. Now we are going to analyze this circuit with the help of DSCS software. So let us move to DSCS software. This is our DSCS window. As we see that our pull up and pull down network consists of two PMOS and two NMOS respectively. So we have to drag two PMOS here for making the pull up network. We have to just drag and drop, and two NMOS to complete the pull down network. We have to just drag and drop again. Now we have to connect this by using add a line. We can connect these two in parallel, and we can connect. We already connect these two NMOS directly. We can craft a gap here and connect these two NMOS by using add a line. So we can connect this pull up network with pull down network, and this is our output point. We can take our output from here. We are using lamp for taking output. We have to give the input. We use this button symbol for providing input. We have to connect each input with one PMOS and one NMOS to complete the circuit. By using add a line, we can connect one NMOS and one PMOS. Similarly, we can connect this PMOS, NMOS and this PMOS by using add a line with input 2. This is our circuit. Here we have to provide the ground and the supply. So we are done with our circuit. This is our circuit diagram. We can check our connection with the circuit diagram provided here. Here BDD is not available, but you have to provide BDD to complete your circuit. So here we see that two PMOS are connected in parallel and two NMOS are connected in series, and both inputs, input A is connected with one NMOS and one PMOS, and input B is connected with another NMOS and another PMOS. You can connect any NMOS with any PMOS uh, with input. This is up to you. You can connect this A input with this PMOS and with this NMOS, or with this NMOS and with this PMOS. This is up to you. It will not affect the result, as because these two PMOS are parallel and these two NMOS are in series. So let us simulate it. Before simulation, we have to save the file. We can use save as option. We can save it as to input NAND gate. Okay, save it. You can just use the save option, save for saving your circuit. Neither will create any problem in your simulation. So let us simulate it. Here is the simulation. So here we see that for both the input is low, output is high. How it's happening? If we analyze the circuit, we are seeing that for high input, these two NMOS, for low input, these two NMOS are open circuited. As a result, this portion of circuit, that is pull down network, is segregated from the pull up network. If we look at the pull up network, here we see that these two PMOS are active. As a result, the ground point is, the supply point is short circuited with the output point. That is, this output point is as same as the BDD point. So here we receive BDD, that is high output. If we change the input 1 to high, here again we see that our output is high. This is because due to making input 1 high, though one of the PMOS are open circuited, but the connection is still maintaining by another PMOS, that is, this PMOS is short circuited. As a result, the output point and the supply point become the same point, and we are getting high input. If we look at the pull down network, here we see that this pull down network is segregated from the output point by making this NMOS open circuited. If we make input 1 low and input 2 high, Here we see the same things happening. In that case, just this PMOS became open circuited and this and MOS become open circuited. If any one of the NMOS become open circuit, then the circuit will be then the output will be high because the ground portion will be segregated from the output point. And if any one of the PMOS is short circuited, then the output will be high. So if we make both the input high, here we see that both the PMOS of the full up network is open are open. As these two PMOS are open, the supply VDD is segregated from the output point, and as both the NMOS are short circuited, the output point is directly connected with the ground point. As a result, the output is low. We can see this output by using the timing diagram. Here is the timing diagram. Here we see that if any one of the output is low, input is high. We can also generate PSpace file here, create a space file. This is our space file. We can also create Verilog file, make Verilog file. This Verilog file is very important. We can create the layout design by using this Verilog file in Microwind. So this is how you can design 2 input NAND gate using DSCS software. Thank you.